North Korea has completed preparations for a nuclear test, and it could take place sometime between October 16th and November 7th, if the regime decides to go ahead with the plan. South Korea's spy agency, the National Intelligence Service, gave the assessment during a closed-door briefing to lawmakers on Wednesday. The agency said the North has completed the restoration of an underground nuclear test tunnel at its Punggye-ri site, increasing the chance of a nuclear test. Punggye-ri is where the North conducted all 6 of its nuclear tests. According to lawmakers briefed by the agency, North Korea could carry out its 7th nuclear test after the opening of the Chinese Communist Party's National Congress on October 16th and before the U.S. midterm elections on November 7th. Later in the day, North Korea fired 2 short-range ballistic missiles into the East Sea, a day before U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris's planned visit to Seoul. The launch came amid an ongoing South Korea-U.S. naval exercise featuring the nuclear-powered USS Ronald Reagan carrier in the East Sea. According to South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff, the launches were detected from the Sunan area in Pyongyang between 6:10 p.m. and 6:20 p.m. The missiles flew some 360 kilometers, reaching an altitude of around 30 kilometers and a maximum velocity of Mach 6. The JCS did not provide other details, adding that the intelligence authorities of South Korea and the United States are conducting a detailed analysis. The launches came just 3 days after the North fired off a short-range ballistic missile into the East Sea. Shortly after the launches, South Korea's Presidential National Security Council held an emergency meeting and strongly condemned the launches as repeated violations of the UN Security Council resolutions. The United States also condemned the missile launches while urging the North to engage in dialogue. Just hours after the launches, a U.S. State Department spokesperson said, "We remain committed to a diplomatic approach."